Welcome to 22 Verdun Street, unit number 1 in wonderful Dorchester, Mass. A home that checks all the boxes. Come check it out.
Have you seen a lot of homes that are missing just one too many of your must-haves? Whether it be a lack of parking, imperfect location, or just not enough space? Well, look no further. Introducing 22 Verdun Street, Unit 1 in the Adams Village area of Dorchester, Massachusetts. This 3-bedroom condo checks all of the boxes. Situated on a quiet side street, the perks start on the exterior of the home, where the first-level unit in this pet-friendly association has exclusive use of the entire driveway, exclusive use of the front and rear porches, and shared use of the shady rear fenced yard, which is perfect for those summer gatherings. The unit's interior is well laid out with a large living room that opens to a large formal dining room featuring a fantastic built-in hutch. The kitchen boasts granite countertops, as well as a pantry-laundry combo room. All of the home's bedrooms are generous in size, providing tremendous flexibility to use any of them as a home office, exercise room, and/or a guest bedroom. Other highlights include central air conditioning, wood flooring, an updated heating system, and a large dedicated basement storage area. And if that weren't enough, the location is phenomenal. Located a half-mile to the Red Line T, parks, and the phenomenal Neponset Trail, and a quarter-mile to restaurants, cafes, and pubs of Adams Village, this home receives a very walkable tag from walkscore.com. Just move in, relax, and enjoy the home that meets all of your needs.
I'm Tom Sheehan of Compass. If you have any questions about this home, don't hesitate to reach out by text, email, or a phone call. Talk to you soon.